Hello everyone, this is going to be a quick introduction and tutorial video on our new ornament holders. These holders were developed specifically for our state and provincial ornaments. We will be making another set in the future that will be more based on our regular line of Christmas ornaments. But I'm going to take you through these ones and I'm going to show you how you could edit them and how you can produce them. So let's get into it. So you'll see in the folder that there's two different types of these, right? One has the ornament already cut out, and then there's another one without anything there, okay? And the idea with this is now if you're going to cut everything at the same time, you're going to cut the card and the ornament at the same time, you can just drag in your ornament into this area and then upload it and it's all going to cut at the same time. Or you could just cut out the blank and then you could add your ornament in later, or you could add your pre-existing ornaments to it after the fact. Okay, so there's both options there for you guys. I'm going to quickly show you how to do it this way. So there's a couple ways to do it. You could do it right into your software. I'm using Illustrator right now, but it's going to be the same with Silhouette, with Inkscape, and on the other softwares out there. So let's go ahead. I have the Colorado ornament open. So what you could do is you could just copy it, and then you could paste it in here and then just drag it to kind of that center of that area there. Move it around until you find a spot that you like, and there you go. Save that and upload it, and you're gonna be able to cut that ornament out within the card all at one time. The other way to do it is you could do it right in the app. I'm going to show you how it works with Glowforge, because that's the laser I have. So I have the card open here. If you drag in that ornament now into the app, you'll be able to position it in the same spot as you did in the software. And then you could just set your settings and you could cut everything all at once, okay? And this way you're going to be saving some material, so you don't have to cut that separate, and it's going to be one job instead of two. So the options there for you guys. I just wanted to give you guys all the options that you could use. So let's look at the card next, okay? So you'll see that on two of the cards it has all of the states and provinces already loaded in, so you guys don't have to do any editing for that. But there is this. It's just a to and a from. It's just some basic text there. You could use this and just put to and then from whoever. You could do it with a pen after, or you could actually put in someone's name and then laser cut it, or engrave it on there, or you could add your own custom love or to and from down here as well. So you'll see that this is all ungrouped while everything else is grouped together here. So what you would do is all you would have to do is delete that. Take your text tool. You know, if you want to do love mom, you could have that. And then switch up your font to whatever you like. I'm just going to go to my character tool here, and then go ahead and find one that you like. This is just a sign painter that I'm using here. So you could add whatever you like down here, and then of course you know that you got to convert this. So up to type at the top, create outlines, and then now you have some engravable text. Make it the same color as the green as the rest of the engraves on here. And then all you got to do is save that and upload it, and you're good to go. Okay, so that's just a basic editing tutorial, but most people, I believe, know how to do all that already. I just wanted to show you the different file types and how some have the cutout for the ornament and some do not. I hope this tutorial was useful, and thank you very much. Okay, so I'm just going to take you through a quick little tutorial on my personal recommendation on how to build these. I'm sure you guys have lots of ideas yourself, and I'm sure I'm going to see some stuff out there that I didn't think of. So what I would do is I would use 1/8 inch material for the backing, and then I would use quarter inch material for the top layer of the holder. I would glue those together, or if you use 3M tape, tape them up so they're nice and secure. For the ornaments, I would use 1/8 inch material for the backing, and then quarter inch for the top. And then when you put that in to the holder, it's going to only have like a 1/8 inch reveal at the top. And I think that reveal is important for customers to be able to take out the ornament and to put it back in. And I also think it helps with shifting. If you decided not to use backing and you just want to do a single layer, that works as well. That makes it nice and streamlined and flat for shipping. And again, they aren't that difficult to take out. You can there's a lot of open areas on all the ornaments that you can just easily pull them out of. So that's just a couple tips and my personal recommendation for these. I'm sure you guys are going to have your own, and I would love to see everything you guys create in our Homestyle Customs Facebook group. Thanks a lot.